At Dreo, every innovation is about unleashing the power of air. It is creating technologies that go beyond performance limits, transforming the coldest winter into a warm atmosphere instantly. With Hyperamics and Shield 360 technologies, bring soothing warmth in under 2 seconds. Unleash the power of air. Discover the Dreo Space Heater.